there, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking this video. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. So today I'm going to bring you a video that I think will be very useful for difficult times like the one that we're going through. So just for future reference, when we will be watching this video later in the future, we are currently in the middle of the Black Lives Movement. You know, I just feel like I'm very anxious and stressed with everything that's going on, to be honest. I'm angry and I'm sad and I just want to keep on going with the fight. And we don't know for how long we're gonna be fighting, so a really good thing is to take care of yourself mentally and physically. So I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I've been really overwhelmed, really stressed, and I'm just feeling so many emotions. Like I'm so emotionally drained. So I thought that I would do something to get myself to feel a little bit better, whether it's mentally or physically. And I hope you get inspiration from this video. You know, I hope this incentivizes you to take care of yourself mentally. You know, mental health is something that everybody should be aware of. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, if you like this video, give me a thumb up, and thank you so much for supporting me. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a bath to kind of relax my body and just feel better. And then I'm also gonna do a mask for my skin. And I will read a book that I really like. So I'm going to show you everything that I'm using and, you know, show you how I kind of set the vibes for me to recenter, reconnect with myself and everything. So first, I'm going to be using this amazing projector. I got this on Amazon and the brand is Light. This is absolutely amazing. Let me just show you because we can see right now. So this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. I feel so calm already just looking at that. Like, it's so beautiful. Then another very important thing that I'm going to do is that I am going to put my phone on airplane mode and then I'm going to put my phone away. Now this is a super cute Zen garden with a Buddha, and this is some incense that I'm going to be lighting up because I love how it smells. And I have a little candle here. Then right here, I am going to have the book that I'm reading. So this book that I'm currently reading is from Patricia Bright. If you don't know her, she is an amazing YouTuber and influencer, and she's really successful. So this is kind of an empowering book for women, you know, to build their own brands and achieve their dreams and, you know, build their business. So I feel like this aligns perfectly with my goals, and that's why I'm going to be reading it. I also have some water. I always have a water bottle next to me because, you guys, if you're trying to relax and feel better, you need to drink a lot of water. I am also gonna put some music on my computer. I don't know about you guys, but for me, music is so powerful in uplifting my mood, you know, and making me feel really better or relaxed. Like, it depends on the type of music that I play, but to be honest, music is key for me when I have to recenter and be in the right mindset. And lastly, I am gonna put some cleanser on my face. This is an amazing cleansing product. It's actually from France. The brand is called Garancia, but I think you can get it online if you're interested. But yeah, this is just a great product, but you can use any cleanser that works for you. Then I am gonna do a mask, and this is an amazing mask that is mainly hydrating and cooling and refreshing. And of course, since I am going to be taking a bath, I am gonna have a bath bomb. Now I'm going to be moving to cleansing my skin, and I showed you guys this product before. It's really good to clean the dirt that's on your skin and to also clean your pores. So I am going to apply it on my face, and I'm going to rub it in circular motion to make sure that all the product is all over my face and that it really does the job at cleansing my skin. I'm going to let it rest for 3 minutes, and then I'm rinsing it with water. You want to use fresh water and not the water in your bath because that's dirty. And then I'm going to be applying the mask. This mask is amazing. I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes and then again I'm going to rinse it with cold water. While the mask is resting on my face, I'm also going to read. And then I'm enjoying the incense in the room. It smells so good. It's such a good vibe, you guys. I advise you to do that if you really need to relax and forget about the negativity that you've been going through during the day. Now that I'm out of the bathtub, I am going to brush my teeth. Next, I am going to put some body lotion on my legs and on my entire body. This body lotion is from Rituals, and Ritual is an amazing brand. Oh my god, it's probably one of my favorite brands. Next, I'm going to be doing my skincare routine, and I'm going to show you the brands that I'm using if you guys are interested. But if you want me to do a full-on skincare nighttime routine, let me know, because I already did my morning skincare routine, and I'm going to put a link up there so that you guys can see if you're interested. But yeah, the combination of the products that I use for my night skincare routine is amazing. I swear my skin has never been this hydrated, soft, radiant, beautiful, smooth, everything you want. Yeah, it's literally due to the combination of products that I'm using, and it's really great. So if you guys want me to do a skincare video, just let me know in the comment, you know the deal. Then I'm going to be taking care of my hair. I am not doing a whole hair care routine, but I'm gonna apply some oil on my scalp because I want my hair to grow, and my scalp has been really dry with the twist that I have. So I'm just massaging the oil directly onto my scalp, and then I'm putting it back into a bun. And then this is the next step of my skincare routine, if it makes sense, and I'm gonna be using a feet and a hand mask. So if you haven't tried a feet and a hand mask, you might be like, what the hell? But guys, this is amazing. I swear my skin on my hands and on my feet never felt so soft. Finally, it's time for me to go to bed, so I'm gonna be meditating. If you guys watch my morning routine video, you know that I meditate usually morning and night. And that's it, I am ready to go to bed. So have a good night, and thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Bye.